Associate Skill Bite here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door handle on your microwave oven. And this one is a Samsung. So I'll be installing the upgraded version. It has apparently a smaller screw size than the old one. If you got the old one, well, you're good. Just do what I do. Don't change your screws. In my case, with the upgraded one, I may have to change the screws, or I may have to drill it. Well, we'll see when I get there. Now I am replacing a black one. It is plastic. It is the same as the stainless and all those other ones. Exactly the same. Cheap. And you will need a Phillips screwdriver. I suggest a trim tool. If you don't have a trim tool, use like a putty knife, something that is thin but sturdy. And you probably need a flashlight. So I suggest you start with this trim piece right here. It goes all the way around. It is plastic and it has some little tabs. And we're gonna try to do this without breaking it. That's the trick. So with my light, hopefully you can see. All right, so take your trim tool or your putty knife and you're gonna slide it in here. Now there is a tab, and I'll show you when we get it off. There is a tab right inside there, okay? And you're gonna slide it, don't force it. All right, so that one I think popped. Okay, there, that one popped. Just keep gently then you're going to get to a tab here. There. Okay, now here's where a bunch of people make a mistake. There's a tab here. Do not pry on this right here out. You're going to break it. That's where everybody breaks it. Must be on the inside. Okay, that tab is on the inside. There you go. Now, can we see the screw? Okay, I can see the screw in here. Right there's the screw. Right here, that's the screw. I was hoping we wouldn't have to pull it all the way off. You might be able to get away with not pulling it all the way off, but I am using a toothpick and a piece of tape to hold this off. Ow. So I went over here. Now I'm going to pop this one from the side. See how easy that was? If you do it right. Now, here's where I'm getting. There we go. Come on. Okay. So everything has been easy. You do it right until we get to this corner. There. Just that top corner is just tough. All right, so you can see the tabs. That's what they look like. You saw how I pulled the bottom out, but it looks like pushing it from the inside is actually easier, and that's what I did everywhere but the bottom. So pry just gently on the bottom up, and that's metal. I really do recommend. If you use a putty knife, put a piece of painter's tape around it, just one layer. You don't want it too thick, or use a plastic trim tool so you don't scratch it. All right, next we're going to remove the screws, Phillips head screws, top and bottom. Pretty simple. Just taking a quick look at the new and improved versus the old one. Well, you tell me. I see absolutely zero difference. Some people were saying you needed smaller screws or to drill out the plastic. Well, I'll show you how to deal with that because you don't. I see absolutely no difference. So between the old design and the improved, get whichever's cheaper. There is a link in the description to the one I used. All right, let me show you another trick. When you're screwing into plastic, when it's a new part, it doesn't have threads in it yet. So the screw is going to be quite tight. So before you put it on, go ahead, screw the screw in, make the threads. This is the old screw on the new improved part. Look at that. All the way in. Now I'm going to screw it out. I'm going to back it out. This way, when I put it in the door, it will screw in easier. That's all this does here. Also, that bottom screw, trying to get it out of the microwave door, I ended up getting a tweezer to fish it out because it was too, it didn't want to come out. I couldn't get my fingers in there. So now we have threads. You probably can't see them, but they are there. Put the handle back in. Go ahead and start with the top one, or whichever is easier. I think the top one's easier for me to start, and hopefully you can see in the picture barely. See how it's going in easy now? It's because I've already made the threads. I've already cut the threads into the plastic, and it goes in pretty simply. Now we'll do the bottom one. This one you got to feed in here. It's a little, there it goes. See how easy that's going in? Thank you. All right, don't over tighten these. Is the handle holding? Yes, it is. That's tight enough. Just snug them up. It's just plastic. So now screws are in. Now we got to snap the panel on, and that is very simple. Make sure you got it the right direction. Line it up. It's back in, and it's not broken. We didn't break the panel. There's the handle. Look at that. It's like new. There you go. So I hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and Samsung. Okay, I don't really want to break it anymore. I don't want pieces flying. Make better stuff.